Good morning, Dingles Crypto. So a lot has been happening in crypto the last 24 hours. XRP is getting sued by the SEC. Altcoins have been plummeting, and we're going to discuss all of this right now. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the latest crypto news and updates. Subscribe, and on the way back up, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Let's jump right into the Bitcoin price action quickly so we can get right to that XRP juicy news. I know why you guys are tuning in, and actually I want to talk about it because it's pretty interesting what is going to happen in the future. So Bitcoin's just consolidating, guys. Nothing too. We could see a retracement. 20-week moving average. We could see a retracement back there. Ethereum's looking not as good, but I do expect it to pull away Q1 of 2021, right? Maybe mid-January. We could see a more consolidation for a period longer and then maybe break out Q1. But a lot of this stuff is happening that's interesting with Ethereum as well. Not all bullish news. So keep that in mind. Next, XRP price. Holy moly bajolies. Look at this dumpo. Expect a dead cat bounce. We could easily see a dead cat bounce up to 50 cents again. So, I mean, you could play that, but I'm not touching it. It's too volatile right now for me. But look at that. Flare Network was a pump and dump. I hope you understood that. The Flare Network Spark token airdrop was a pump and dump, a one last pump and dump for the XRP team. But also, who knows? Who knows what will come out of this? Maybe some clarity. I mean, if Ripple gets declared a security, it's donezo. Liquidity will be done for XRP, guys. I'm sorry to say that, but really it all depends on what the SEC declares XRP. And it doesn't look too good, guys. I'm just going to be straight up with you guys. It does not look too good. So let's get into, this is just 7:41 p.m. a couple hours ago, just recently. 30 million XRP, $8 million transferred to Coinbase, most likely to dump. People are getting out of XRP. I don't know who holds these XRP, but people are dumping. I'm sorry, guys. As well as Willy Woo, this is the full tally of XRP sold by Ripple Labs to the public since 2013. 1.388 billion, 600 million wound up in the private hands of Larson and Garlinghouse, right? The two CEOs that ran Ripple Labs for the last 8 years, corrupt as fuck. This is why it's going to be declared a security. It was an unfair deployment of their tokens. Their original distribution was not a fair enough offering, right? So let's get into why XRP will be different from Ethereum and Bitcoin in their declaration of commodity versus security, right? So let's just go ahead and shoot this a read right here. XRP differs from Bitcoin and Ethereum in an important way. For those two cryptocurrencies, new coins are created through the mining process, which is ongoing. Ripple started XRP by creating 100 billion units all at once. Ripple owns about 6.4 billion XRP, and Garlinghouse and Larson also owns a good chunk of it. So those two own 6.4 billion basically, guys. Another 48 billion XRP are held in reserve, so they own another 48 billion basically for periodic sales. So okay, the difference between this and, say, a protocol on the blockchain is that, when it says it's held in reserve, if a protocol does this on Ethereum, it's held in a smart contract, which nobody can take out of. That nobody has the vet. This smart contract releases those tokens on certain dates, and it's a smart contract, and nobody can alter it once it's confirmed on the blockchain. These XRP that's held in reserve, nothing's holding it there, guys, except human compassion and humans willing to not dump on you guys. But Brad Garlinghouse, one of these guys, I appreciate you saying what this could mean for the larger U.S. crypto industry. The SEC is doing the opposite of fostering innovation. He's just trying to save his bags, guys, and save his ass. He should get out of the United States. Next. So Justin Sun, let's support Ripple and XRP together. No, Justin Sun's a scammer, and so is XRP. I just want, the birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. So keep that in mind, guys. Birds of a feather flock together. Scammers surround themselves with other scammers. Okay. Next. So this is really the bad news for XRP, guys. Exchanges that continue listing XRP. This is if they are listed as a security. This is what's going to happen. It's all depending on what they are listed. If they're listed as security, this is exactly what's going to happen. Exchanges that continue listing XRP run the risk of being asked to register as a security exchange commissioned by the SEC should the commission win its lawsuit. Okay, so basically, otherwise these exchanges might face penalties for allowing retail consumers to trade an unregistered security, right? So Coinbase is delisting their token 100%, guys. I mean, they just announced their IPO here soon. They don't want to mess with this stuff, guys. They don't want to mess with having retail consumers be able to have a class action lawsuit against them for trading XRP, right? So they don't want to deal with this. Delist it. All these exchanges are going to delist XRP, drying up their liquidity, right? So many cryptocurrency exchanges would be forced to delist it. So liquidity would dry up. I am so sorry to hear this because I personally used to hold XRP because I believed in it back in probably 2017. And then I realized they were just dumping on me. So I feel, I was there once. I hope you guys will learn and just focus. Scammers flock together, especially in crypto. Binance token and CZ's a scammer. Tron's a scammer. XRP's scammers, the CEOs are scammers, okay? Scammers in the crypto industry flock together. And I just want to say this. And sources suggesting that Coinbase has already had discussions with counsel about the delisting of XRP. It seems two potential plans are forming, one which puts the delisting on Friday, unclear which Coinbase products it will impact, but most likely Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. So I don't know how reputable this source is. He seems, I looked at his profile, seems like he is an analyst for a lot of magazines, crypto articles, crypto websites, right? So it seems decently reputable. I don't know exactly where he's getting his resources from. Maybe a direct connections with somebody at Coinbase, but looks like it could be forming for this Friday, and that is Christmas, guys. That would not be a good Christmas for XRP, guys. I am sorry. I don't mean to laugh, but the writing has been on the wall for a while, guys. But you know what? What is your XRP prediction? Comment below. I am willing to hear both sides because if you are diehard XRP, I will respect you as long as you double down right now. Because if I believe in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and if I see the price go down to a price level where I'm like, holy crap, like back in March when Bitcoin and Ethereum went down to $90 and $3,000, I was like, holy crap, I cried. But then I bought more because I believed in the projects. And if you believe in XRP, you better be buying more right now, guys. So, yeah, that is all for that. But let's jump into the good news, guys. So, new chart, a comparison of the Bitcoin price temperature bands of the previous and current halving cycles. Around 300K around October 18, 2021. I don't think it's going to go that high yet, guys. That's based off of last cycle. I think we're having diminishing returns. So I think I'm going to be pretty cautious around 150, guys. 150 is my cautious zone, guys. I think 150 will be good. But anyways, let's go on to Hayden Adams. Last couple episodes I call him Hayden Sutton. That's my buddy from college. So I don't know why I called him Hayden Sutton is my buddy from college, and I was calling Hayden Adams Hayden Sutton for the whole episode. whatever. But Hayden Sutton is the creator of Uniswap, which is one of my favorite protocols. But this is the best thing about DeFi. Check this out. So this is the list of the most volume exchanges, crypto exchanges, right? And it has their countries. Binance, Cayman Islands, Coinbase Pro, United States. And then you go down the list, Uniswap V2. There's no country, guys. You know why? Because the country is Ethereum. The country is Ethereum, guys. So that's what I'm talking about when I talk about Ethereum's GDP. So, and then let's go into another. He tweeted about Uniswap V3. So David Hoffman.eth, he's a YouTuber and a podcaster for crypto. He says, LOL, I promise I will come on post V3. So I don't know when that will be, but he's acting like it's in the near future, guys. He sounds like he's busy trying to push out V3. He needs a layer 2 scaling solution, maybe on XDAI. That's not layer 2, but that's a sister chain for Ethereum. Optimistic rollups does not look like it's coming out for Ethereum, and I don't think it's going to be a successful scaling option. That's a whole nother episode, but I think they might scale up on XDAI, guys, which will be very exciting for XDAI. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at Pomp. I like this tweet to end it off for today. Look around the room. You and me. Look around. People that are watching this video right now. The Bitcoiners today will be the ones running global finance in a few years. You and me, guys. Most are young, ambitious, and driven by something other than profits. I enjoy making money, but also I love the technology, guys. This is revolutionary. I'm more or less a libertarian at heart. I don't like the government in my business, and especially my financial business. And blockchain and DeFi and Bitcoin and Ethereum allows me to pursue that passion, right? And I hope you guys understand that if you learn about it today, you will be ahead of the curve. So shoot me a sub and make sure you sub and like this video, guys, because it means a lot to me, and let's grow together. And if you subscribe, I will promise to keep you updated on everything crypto as well as explore DeFi with you. But that is all for today. I hope you have a fantastic day and Christmas Eve. Peace out till next time.